How do you ensure projects stay on schedule and within budget? So we touched upon this a little bit in design build, but um, we at Hemingway Construction utilize a system that is a lean construction methodology called the last planner system. And that brings in the foreman from all the trades into a room for a half a day to a day to take the entire schedule, put it all up on a board, and start talking about flow from one trade, overlap, things of that nature. And we get everyone to give their input and feedback before construction begins. We then, that meeting and that system then morphs into what we call a pull planning system, whereby the project schedule is hypothecated out to the very end, the completion certificate of occupancy, even into service contracts and warranty work. And then we pull those dates, those desired dates, back to the present, and then we track where we are in this day, this week, this month, in order to accomplish our finish end date goals. Transparent cost tracking. We always put all the pricing laid out in our schedule of values and then bill against that schedule of values every month so that you, as the client, can see the entire bookkeeping and where we're at on the project at any given moment in time. Internal design and engineering review. We always, as a matter of just working on the project, will look through the design and look for ways to make it more efficient, more in alignment with the client's goals, or looking for value engineering. And sometimes value engineering doesn't necessarily mean it'll be a less expensive item. Sometimes we value engineer things to get more value, even if it might cost more, but it might get more value for the client. One thing that comes to mind is like high energy European windows. Sometimes for a slight increase in cost, you can get a significantly higher performing window or glazing system on the building, and then your operating costs will reduce significantly. And that's something that we can investigate early on and issue a pro forma at what are the benefits of each and every suggestion that we make. Strong pre-construction planning goes into us getting involved as early as possible, us providing pre-construction services, and like I said, that ensures that projects stay on schedule and within budget. This approach allows us to deliver projects on time or early and often under budget.